Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Spiderwire Stealth Braid Fishing Line. Braided line is known for its remarkable strength and small diameter, which allows you to fit more on the reel for a given pound test than you could with fluorocarbon or monofilament line. For unequaled strength and thinness, the Spiderwire Stealth Fishing Line is comprised of Dyneema, the world's strongest fiber. The line's spherical form reduces backlash by allowing it to flow smoothly on and off the spool for a covert approach. The fluoropolymer treatment helps generate longer casts while keeping sound to a minimum. The braided line has no stretch, as do most braided lines. This means you can feel structure and bites right away, making positive hook settings much easier. Choose from a variety of lengths and pound tests, then pick from a variety of hues ranging from low visibility blue camo to moss green to high vis yellow. The latter allows you to see the line above the water, providing you a visual warning of any slight impacts. Our second best bass fishing line is Berkley Trilene XL Monofilament Fishing Line. Monofilament stretches more than other line types, making it harder for bass to spit your bait during the struggle. As a result, treble-hooked lures, such as lipless and diving crankbaits, are a wonderful choice. It floats better than fluorocarbon or braid, which makes it great for topwater lures. Trilene XL from Berkley is noted for its durability and sensitivity. It now has a new formula that gives it 20% more knot strength, 50% more wet strength, and 20% more flexibility than before. Third choice in our list is Cast King Monofilament Fishing Line. The Cast King World's Premium Monofilament Fishing Line is available in a range of pound tests from 4 to 30 pounds. You may get a spool for next to nothing depending on the line's strength and length you choose. Despite the line's low cost, it is well known for its high quality. It's abrasion resistant and flexible enough to allow for strong, dependable knots. Parallel roll track technology from the brand allows for more reel capacity and prevents line from sinking into the spool, allowing you to cast further and more smoothly. Rebel Red, Chrome Blue Monoline, and Dawn Yellow are some of the line colors available. The Ice Clear variant has excellent clarity, making it a cost-effective alternative to fluorocarbon leaders. Number 4 in our side is P-Line Tactical Fluorocarbon. It refracts light and is practically imperceptible below, making it an excellent choice for pressured bass fishing in clear water. The P-Line Tactical Fluorocarbon is constructed from 100% pure premium Japanese fluorocarbon that is extruded using the most advanced raw ingredients and extrusion procedures to provide remarkable strength and durability. Longer casts are possible thanks to its enhanced smoothness, and a particular composition makes it clearer and more abrasion resistant than most other fluorocarbons. It's available in a variety of pound tests ranging from 6 to 20 pounds, all on a 200-yard spool. Because of its quick sink rate, it's ideal for using with sinking jigs and worms. Last in our top 5 best bass fishing line list is Seaguar Tatsu Fluorocarbon Fishing Line. Seaguar's Tatsu has a double-structure fluorocarbon material made from 2 resins fused into one line, one with a robust but soft exterior and excellent inner strength. With a line weight ranging from 4 to 25 pounds, Tatsu is the best choice for throw fishing for deeper swimming fish and sport bass. Seaguar Tatsu is a world-renowned fluorocarbon mainline and great choice for anglers who use 1 or 2 rod or reel setups to fish a variety of species. Catch bass, walleye, panfish and more with confidence. This is a thin diameter line that's virtually invisible underwater. With very low stretch, it's extra sensitive and helps improve your catch rate with your favorite finesse presentations. Whether you're running live bait, casting crankbaits or flipping heavy cover, Seaguar Tatsu is soft and very easy to manage on both spinning and bait casting reels. Seaguar's exclusive, state-of-the-art double structure process creates a tough, but soft exterior, with greatly enhanced inner strength unequaled by any other line on the planet. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.